please briefly introduce yourself and your role in your company?
I am on the PLM Manufacturing Tools team.
Okay.
I'm a senior engineer on the team, and our role is to support the customers whenever there's a DELMIA needed help. And typically what we do is we'll see if there is a out-of-the-box functionality that is available to us. If there is not, then we will work internally to understand the requirements more in depth so that we can design a solution for them.
So when and why did you join the DELMIA User Champions program?
So I just joined the Champions program recently for DELMIA. I believe that based on what I've learned through the program, is that the most important thing for us is that we are able to have access and network to the wider DELMIA community.
Okay, good.
And to also learn from them, because nobody knows everything.
Right. Good.
So it's a good platform for us to collaborate and grow together.
So how does DELMIA support your business, and in which areas of the business do you use DELMIA?
DELMIA has this thing called the PPR model, right? The product process resources.
Okay.
We really try to use that to the full extent, right? At the very least, for the M-bomb, we use DELMIA. For the S-bomb as well, although we are trying to figure out how we can use it as the so intended, right?
Okay.
We try to often at times fit the tool to the process, but we need to also understand what the tool is intended to do.
Right. So the process fits the tool. And M-bomb is manufacturing bomb.
Correct.
S-bomb is services bomb.
Yes.
Okay, good.
And also the build process.
Okay.
Yeah. We use it in a way that is not standard based on the SO's recommendation. Of course, because there's a prezo in the picture, right?
Yes.
But we have different needs, so we use it a little differently.
How long have you been a user?
I've been a user since 2019, March.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time.
Good. And how does DELMIA make your job easier?
It helps us to connect the dots.
Okay.
Right? Because your engineering bill of material has all the information that you truly need. So at the same time, there are some companies that manages their E-bomb as an M-bomb, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And the difficulty with that is you put all the work up front, that will take a long time for you to change and improve.
Okay.
So in order for that to be balanced out as how you would do in a production line, instead of stacking everything together, you separate it out so you can go faster, right?
Okay.
So in that sense, the DELMIA is doing that for us using the M-bomb and build process.
Can you list for me 2 or 3 things that you really like about DELMIA?
There's this app called Manufacturing Context Builder.
Okay.
Very powerful. It allows you to interrogate the data to the nitty-gritty without opening it.
Why did your company decide to implement DELMIA? What was it that made them choose DELMIA?
We implemented it because we believe in the digital thread that the platform is providing us, the 3DX platform. Yeah. So whenever you can consolidate your business into a single platform, it will inevitably bring the value forefront because you don't lose the continuity.
Well, thank you, Vyvian.
Thank you, Mike.
Appreciate your time today.